Coconut oil is one of the few foods that can be classified as a superfood. Its unique combination of fatty acids can have positive effects on your health. This includes fat loss, better brain function, and various other impressive benefits. Here are the top 6 health benefits of including coconut oil in your diet. 1. Coconut oil can kill harmful microorganisms. The 12-carbon lauric acid makes up about 50% of fatty acids in coconut oil. When lauric acid is digested, it also forms a substance called monolaurin. Both lauric acid and monolaurin can kill harmful pathogens like bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This could potentially help to prevent infections. 2. Helps lose weight. Coconut oil is useful for weight loss too. It contains short and medium-chain fatty acids that help in taking off excessive weight. Research suggests that it helps to reduce abdominal obesity in women. It is also easy to digest as compared to other edible oils and helps in healthy functioning of the thyroid and endocrine system. Further, it increases body's metabolic rate by removing stress on the pancreas, thereby burning more energy and helping obese and overweight people lose weight. Hence, people living in tropical coastal areas who use coconut oil every day as their primary cooking oil are normally not fat, obese, or overweight. 3. Boosts digestion. Coconut oil helps to improve the digestive system and thus prevents various stomach and digestion-related problems, including irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. The saturated fats present in it have antimicrobial properties and help in dealing with various bacteria, fungi, and parasites that can cause indigestion. It also helps in the absorption of other nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. 4. Coconut oil can raise the good HDL cholesterol. Coconut oil contains natural saturated fats that increase the good HDL cholesterol in your body. They may also help turn the bad LDL into a less harmful form. By increasing HDL, many experts believe that coconut oil could be good for heart health compared to many other fats. In one study in 40 women, coconut oil reduced total and LDL cholesterol while increasing HDL compared to soybean oil. 5. Coconut oil can protect your skin, hair, and dental health. Coconut oil has many uses that have nothing to do with eating it. Many people are using it for cosmetic purposes and to improve the health and appearance of their skin and hair. Studies on individuals with dry skin show that coconut oil can improve the moisture content of the skin. It can also reduce symptoms of eczema. Coconut oil can also be protective against hair damage, and one study shows effectiveness as a weak sunscreen, blocking about 20% of the sun's ultraviolet rays. Another application is using it like mouthwash in a process called oil pulling, which can kill some of the harmful bacteria in the mouth, improve dental health, and reduce bad breath. 6. Diabetes. Coconut oil helps in controlling blood sugar and improves the secretion of insulin. It also promotes the effective utilization of blood glucose, thereby preventing and treating diabetes.